This is Sandbaggy, and today we're talking about our American-made ADA tiles. We have them in all these different colors and a bunch of different sizes, and they all come with a 5-year warranty. That's unbeatable in the industry. Now, I'm going to show you how you install it. First step to installing an ADA tile is you got to clean the area. So you're going to sweep all the dirt, all the rocks, everything out. All right, step 2 is with a marker, you need to mark the edges of the ADA tile. So we've already have this aligned, centered. So now we're just going to mark the corners with our marker. Now that you have marked your area, now with the sealant that is provided in the box, you're going to flip around the ADA tile and you're going to put the sealant down first. So we're going to go all around. Now we're just going to clean it off, get all the dust off. The very last step in the installation process is you just got to get that sealant again, and what you're going to do is seal all around the tile. So I'm going to start over here. Alrighty, so now it's all done. That's how easy it took. It took about 30 minutes. We got it all installed. You can do the same. Free shipping all across the USA. Order online and we'll get it shipped to your doorstep within a week.